you like introduce you to turn around sassy? Sure.
Hey, let's go check out this birder thing. I think it's called bird blind, isn't it?
Yeah. Nomadic weather bear here. I'm at the Lollapalooza and heading for the bird blinds where we're going to do some bird watching.
Absolutely.
A lot of birds. And Connie are going to go watch some birds, right?
Right.
I'm sure they're everywhere. No
Maybe they're in the tree.
Maybe they're in the tree. So it's pretty cool. See that? Little observing
Observation station.
And then you get really cool fence.
Become a birder. There, it tells you how to become a birder. Yeah, I like the fence. I think the birds probably do too. It doesn't look scary.
There's a broom. If you want a broom and sweep.
No, I didn't come to work. Did you?
Laura's leadership, hard work, and because of her love for birds, this is Laura Great. Laura's blind. So it's officially Laura's blind.
Well, it's nice she lets us come and see it.
It's pretty cool.
I know.
Over here. I'm sure springs there's a lot more birds.
Oh yeah, they probably nest in this big tree. What is that, a pecan tree?
I don't see any birds at the birdhouse.
I don't either. Look how pretty this walk is. Isn't this nice? Shady. There were deer out the other day. Hey, you're taking off without me. I wonder how long this trail is. Oh, you found birds? Oh. Yeah, they tend to hang outside. Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah. I saw robins and cardinals. And a lot of squirrels. Yeah. The bird trail. I could get lost. I hope they have signs.
Follow the trail. Now we're looking for, what are we looking for?
Storybook trail.
Take a picture.
Well, that's a good idea.
If you're able to.